In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mass update your actuals time. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise or location selected, then choose Time. Go to your new top menu bar and select Review. From the drop-down menu, choose Actuals. You should arrive at a chart that looks like this. Before making any changes, make sure you're on the correct day or date range. In order to mass update these time entries, you need to turn on Mass Updates. So click Mass Update On, and now you should be able to make your changes. You can individually select the time entries you would like to mass update. So I could click this one and this one, or you can click this box, and that will select all of the entries for this day. Once you've selected the time entries you want to change, click Mass Update. You should arrive at a list of features you can update. In order to change any of this information, you need to check the box to the right. So if I click the box next to Date, now I can change the date. I can choose to change the date, when the employees clocked on, when they clocked off, what the break hours were, the project and task, the activity, the status. If I click the box next to status and select that arrow, you'll see I can choose to mark all of these as error, void, or no void. I'm going to leave that blank. Maybe the reason I came in here is I wanted to leave a note on all of these time entries. I can click this box, and now I can leave a note. Maybe I will say something like, manually entered time. I can choose to alert the manager or not. And underneath Alert Manager, I can see how many entries have been selected. This mass update is going to affect a total of 11 time entries. If you changed your mind and don't want to make this mass edit, click Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Save. And now those time entries have been updated. If you no longer want to make mass updates, it might be a good idea to turn that off so you don't do so accidentally. To turn off Mass Update, click Mass Update Off. That's how you can mass update your actuals time entries. Check out the next video to learn how to view time entry issues.